Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you ways on how you can fix Snapchat showing random people stories. So to start, we'll have to open the app, and then in here, one of the reasons why you are seeing random people stories is you might have followed random accounts. So what you need to do is to go to your profile, and then in here, we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this My Friends option. So here, what you need to do is to unfollow those random accounts. Once you're done with that, you'll have to go to the story suggestions and then in here tap on these three dots. So here, you're supposed to see an option, hide friend story suggestions. Since I don't have a lot of friends, I don't have that feature yet. But if you have that feature, all you need to do is to toggle that on. By doing that, it will keep you from seeing random people's stories. Another thing that you can do is by going to your account settings. To do that, we'll have to tap again on this profile icon, and then here on our profile, we'll have to tap on the settings icon. So under settings, what you need to do is to scroll down and then look for this option, view my story. In here, you have to make sure that friends only is toggled on. After doing that, we'll have to go back and then scroll down again and look for the option clear cache. What you need to do is to tap on this one and then tap on the continue option. By doing that, our Snapchat account will be refreshed. If after doing all that, the problem isn't fixed, the last thing that you can do is by going to the help center. In here, what you need to do is to report the problem on your Snapchat account and then wait for Snapchat response. So those are the ways on how you can fix Snapchat showing random people stories. I hope this video helped you out, and then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss a video on our channel, and I'll see you on our next video.